life.
And his ass.
And his ass, which is also very nice.
It amazes me.
So here's to Chad in the first of many films hopefully to come.
Absolutely! Whoop, whoop. And for being the best man to my best friend. Absolutely.
Aww.
Thank you, Chad, for letting me be in this film with you.
Chad!
I've been with Chad through all of this. Not a lot of the filming, but I got the phone conversations afterwards. And the stress of how to put it all together. And the stress of finding time to put this all together. I just want to say that I know that he is so appreciative of everybody that, with my funny straw, that was kind of silly, so I'm going to put that down. Everybody that participated in it, so Chad's pretty amazing. I think that all of us should feel really lucky that we have somebody like Chad to kind of help our lives along. He's my creative partner in life, and I love him. I love you so much, you know that. No crying yet. We're fourth quarter.
No crying in the movie business.
Chad, I'm bringing you back to what we've introduced you this season, which is football. Fourth quarter.
Football.
We're in fourth quarter right now.
Be a Bush bitch! Be a Bush bitch!
There's no crying in football.
Penalty foul.
Anyway, my glass is up to Chad. I don't know where this road's going to take him, but I really hope he keeps going with it because I think this is a pretty incredible thing. So, cheers to you, Chad. I love you.
Thank you.
We love you, Chad. Yay, Chad.
Yes,
His mom.
yes,
I really
yes.
felt that with
Thank you.
Thank
you.
We've
Big
got,
applause
we've got
for Carmen.
We have Miss Holly. We need to give it up for Craig because Craig's had to live with
Give
the
it
bad man.
up for
Well, maybe this will. But you know what?
Phenomenal work.
And that was hot. That was hot. And I just want to say for the record, you'll hear this. Lesbians don't usually get into boy on boy, just like lesbians or boys don't get on girl on girl. That was fucking hot. That was hot. The first lesbian to say it, it was hot.
Yes, Chad. I would just like to say
You guys
that,
are a hot couple.
that Chad is an inspiration to anybody that is creative. That there's no excuse not to produce art if you're an artist. There's none. South Bend, none. There's no excuse. I think that's the lesson. The great big lesson I think is that, and you're an inspiration.